Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. I'm so glad you came over to our channel today. And if you are new to my channel, I want to introduce myself. My name is Teresa. In today's video, I'm going to bring y'all along and give y'all a tour of my home and how I have it decorated for summer. A lot of y'all have asked for me to do a home tour and I haven't done one in a while. So I'm going to show you today my home and how I have it decorated. And also in today's video, it's going to be in a collaboration with one of my really good friends, Donna, over at Delightfully Southern. So y'all make sure to go over and check out her channel. She's also going to have a home tour video for y'all today. And I'm going to have all of her information linked down below. So make sure to go out and check out her channel, meet her sweet husband, James. And also she has a cutest little dog, Buster. So y'all will enjoy getting to meet their whole family. If you haven't joined my Facebook home decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it, and also go over and follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd love for you to, and also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Thanks so much. Before we start the tour, I'm going to go over a few things that we did before I got started filming. And one thing is we need to address some window treatments in our home. In our bedroom, this little window blind, I guess it just saw its better day and it broke. And I think old blinds like this, the strings, they stay in the sun sometimes and maybe they get dry rotted. But anyway, it broke. So I've got Ben, he's helping me, and we went and purchased this really nice faux wood plantation blind, and I'm going to have it linked in my Amazon store. These are not the cheapest, they're not the most expensive, they're kind of in the middle of the road as far as price range, but I was very pleased with the looks of these. And they are cordless, y'all. They just pull up and down. There is no strings that you have to pull to make them to work. And I don't know where I've been. I must be living up under a rock because I didn't even know they had these. But it was so easy to install because we just took the broke one down. We left its brackets, and this one just fit right into the brackets. We installed it, and it has nice little details that go on its little, on its little corners. And then we just and I think Ben enjoyed playing with it, going up and down, because he's like, man, these are so nice. So anyway, we got this one in the bedroom replaced, and this is something that I've been wanting to get done for the longest time. So now we've got a window in our family room, and my little kitty cats, Mater and Tater, when they were younger, they played in the window one day, and I guess they hung on the blind, and they tore it and broke it. So it's been down for probably a couple of years, and we just never replaced it because we thought it would just be a headache. But again, we got this nice little cordless blind that we put in the bedroom. We got the very same one. We just bought two of them and installed one in here, and that's how easy it is. So I think the plantation blinds just add so much to your windows. And too, you have the option in the evenings, or sometimes here in the South when the sun's going down, it will come right in your house, and it's kind of like you need a sun visor. So it's nice to be able to have those little window treatments on the windows now. Now I want to tell y'all about a little product that we've just purchased that we are loving, and that's a new little vacuum cleaner. Y'all, I've been hauling around a big old corded vacuum cleaner and hauling it upstairs and downstairs, and I was so tired of it. I told Ben I want a cordless, bagless little vacuum cleaner, and this one was so affordable, y'all. I also have this linked in my Amazon store. It's a different color, but this is a Pro Ion Pet Pro Lifter, and it's by Bissell. Y'all, I love it. It's very lightweight, and it's very easy to remove that little canister and just take outside and dump it. So the next thing I wanted to address, and I've got, again, Ben's helping me, bless his heart, this day. I just put him to work. We're going to change out some bulbs, and we're going to take all of these little light fixtures that we have up, these little glass ones. You would be surprised how dusty things get, especially in your kitchen. So these were very easy to unscrew. We just took all the glassware off of them. We dusted them, we washed them, and then we just put them back up. And it just made a world of difference in our lighting. So we're going to start with my family room. And y'all, I'm going to have a lot of video links down below because I've done several videos on my home, and I have one that's really good about how what our home looked like when we first moved in it, and we basically just kind of went around and updated it when we first moved in. But our home is small, and this is what I'm going to call our little family room. This is a room that comes off to the left of when you come in my front door. And this is where we watch TV in the evenings. And I've just got like a little L-shaped sofa. I wanted something simple, but something that would have plenty of seating. If we wanted to lay down in the evenings, while we're watching TV, we could do that. And the little section on this, it reverses. You can flip it over on that end, or you can flip it and you can put it over on that other end. So you can have that little lounge part on either side. And I love that option. And I just have an entertainment center that we had when we lived in our previous house. We just moved it, and we've been using it ever since, and we just hung our TV up on the wall. And I'm just kind of panning you around, just letting you see the layout of the room and how I have it arranged, and I have it decorated for spring and summer. And you will probably recognize a lot of the home decor that I have. A lot of it is thrifted yard sale finds that I have flipped, and I've just incorporated them into my home and into my spaces. That little cathedral window, I bought that from Stephen at Stephen's Antiques. So just, don't hesitate, when you're at the thrift stores or at the yard sales, think outside the box on items. Just because they may be a different color doesn't mean you can't come home and you can't paint it to fit into your decor. Because I'm going with a lot of more whites and neutrals in my home. So I'm just kind of slowly and gradually kind of changing everything out. And a lot of the decor items in my video today will be on my Amazon home decor store. And these little ruffled pillow covers, I've got 4 of these. Absolutely love these. These are very nice quality made, and they fit my pillows perfect. And I did that little bicycle, those little bookends. I've got a video on that of how I, kind of just gave it a little facelift. And now when you face out of our little family room, this is what I'm going to call our gathering room. And this is a room that you walk into when you come into our front door. So I'm just going to kind of carry you in here, and I call it a gathering room because when we have company or anything like that, we sit in this room, actually, not the family room. This room's a little bit more open, and it also is opened up to our kitchen. So I can be in the kitchen, and I can also be talking to guests, and if we have people over to eat, we can go in and out of this little room into our kitchen very easily to the food. So I'm just showing you, the front door, the layout of this room. Again, I have a lot of neutrals and light colors in my home, and I love to incorporate florals. Just wherever I can, just give it that pop of color. And that little umbrella hanging up, that was a video that I did in the spring, and I've still got it hanging up, and I'll probably take it down soon when I start incorporating my fall decor. But I'm just kind of panning y'all around again, let y'all just kind of see how the room flows. And right here to the left, we've got our wood burning stove. So in the wintertime, we love to sit on this little love seat, drink our coffee in the morning, and watch the fire. And I also want to point out all the pillow covers that you see in this room, those are in my Amazon store. I get most all the pillow covers that I get, I order from Amazon. And I don't buy a lot of new pillows. I just try to order pillow covers and cover my existing pillows. And that saves room on storage. And, also it just kind of gives your pillow a refresh and just feels like you've got a new pillow for a lot less price. And I get a lot of questions on our flooring, and I go into more detail on this, in my other videos. I'll have a link below, but that is just that faux hardwood plank that you install yourself. It's just kind of like you snap it together, and we put that down, and we just put that all throughout our home, except in our bedroom. It's the same concept, but it's a little bit different color. So now I'm going to take y'all into the kitchen. Now the kitchen looks out into the gathering room. So these two rooms are now together. But when we first bought the house, it didn't look nothing like this. So make sure to go out and watch my video of what the home looked like before and after. We totally redid the kitchen, and Ben and I did it ourselves. So just to save some money and get it the way that we really wanted it, we did it ourselves, and it was so much fun that, that way we could just go price things out. And if we wanted to go a little bit cheaper on something, we had that option. We weren't locked into a contractor and, they'd already bought the materials and stuff. We just kind of did it as we went. And this is some open shelving that we installed. This was like a little weekend project, and I have a video on this. Very inexpensive, but it's a great way to be able to display your items, but also it gives you more storage, because I had this whole wall over here and I really needed more room in my kitchen, so I wanted to utilize those walls as much as I can. And of course, I store our dishes. When you live in a small home, the biggest thing you have to do is you have to downsize, and you have to just really keep the things that you and your family are truly going to use and need on a daily basis. And that's what we do. Most everything that we have now, we use it on a daily basis, but everything else I pretty much downsize. We don't have a crock pot, we don't have a microwave, we don't have a dishwasher. But it's okay. Sometimes you have to make sacrifices and make things work for the space that you have. And if you want to see where my refrigerator is, you'll have to watch my previous video that I'll have linked below, because I go over all that when I show more of my home in that video, and you can see where the refrigerator is and the layout for it. But in the sign on my island, y'all, I'm going to make sure to link their little website down below, because I got that sign from Lone Star Signs, and I absolutely love my sign on my island. So make sure to go out and check them out. If you need a really cool sign, they have so many to choose from, and they can customize them for you. And I also wanted to add here the Roman shades, the little cordless shades you see on most of my windows. Those I ordered off of eBay. I don't think they're no longer available, but if you want to go out and check those out, eBay is where I got those. Now I'm just going to pan you around, let you see. My island is just a little makeshift island. We made it ourselves. It was made out of an old entertainment center. I got it at a thrift store, and we put some butcher block on it. And then I've chalk painted our kitchen cabinets and just added some new hardware, and that saved us a ton of money, versus having to go out and buy new cabinets or have somebody paint them. I just chalk painted them, and they've held up really well. Now I'm just showing y'all this little lofted area that goes around that little gathering room. It's very nice. I don't really know what the previous owners, when they built it, what they had up there, but we just kind of put some decorative items up there. And here is our open shelving. When we first moved in the home, the kitchen was laid out so different. It was very dark. It had a lot of cabinets, and it was such a small space, and it felt like you were just encapsulated in cabinets. So I wanted to remove all of those cabinets. We did move them throughout the home. We painted them, and we are using them in different parts of our home. So we didn't, get rid of them. We just kind of utilized them in other spaces. But I knew I wanted some open shelving just to kind of open the space up and give it more of a fresh look. So I try to keep my decor. I try to go with a lot of white just to kind of brighten up the area. Now I'm going to show y'all our bedroom, and this is our master bedroom. This house only has one bedroom. There is 300 square foot upstairs that I use for my crafting studio, and I'm going to link the video down below of it. You can go out, watch that video, and see what the whole upstairs looks like, and you can see where I go up to create. And it's kind of I've got it in like a Shabby Chic little boutique studio style, and I just did a makeover and reveal of it not too long ago. But this is our master bedroom, and since this is mainly the only bedroom in the house, it is large. So we were very fortunate to have a very large master bedroom, so we can fit a lot of furniture in here. We've got a king-size bed, as you can see. The furniture was given to us from Ben's grandmother. It was brown. Through the years, I've chalk painted it and I distressed it. And a lot of things in this room also are from yard sales, thrifted items, just things that I've got very inexpensive, and I've painted them. Most all of my bedding come from Amazon, and I've got it all linked to my Amazon store. The new comforter that you see, like the little popcorn texture to it, I picked that up at TJ Maxx, and it's a duvet cover, and it was on clearance, and it was the only duvet cover they had that day, but it was a king size, so I truly lucked up on that, and it fit really well, you know, just for summer because it's such a light color. But the little bedspread comforter up underneath it is an Amazon purchase, and I have those linked in my Amazon store, and I have it in 2 colors. I have it in cream and I have it in white. I love it. And that pink throw, that's also from Amazon. And my pillow covers, again, most all of my bedding is in my Amazon store. I also wanted to mention, because I get a lot of questions in my comments when I film in my bedroom about my curtains. They are drop cloth curtains, and I did make those myself. They're very easy to make, and I just hung them up with these little clip rings that you can purchase from Amazon or Walmart. I hope y'all enjoyed the video today, and I hope y'all enjoyed the tour of my home. Don't forget to go out and check out the other links that I'll have at the end of this video, and then I'll have most of them down in my description box. But I've done other makeovers in the rooms of my home, and I did a full home tour last year that you'll get to see more spaces. And I also just did a bathroom makeover where I chalk painted my countertops. So go and check that out if you're interested in doing a very inexpensive bathroom makeover. You may enjoy that video. Love y'all, and thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to go over to see Donna at Delightfully Southern and tell her I sent you. Send her some love. Bye, y'all.